All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So obviously, obviously, obviously. Something that is clearly so and may not need explaining. Obviously. It is obviously going to work. It's obviously going to work. Yeah. That was obviously written by me. Yeah. Obviously, I'm going that way. We need to obviously train for the race. Yeah. How cool is that? We obviously know the answer. Yes, we obviously know the answer, but do I have to explain it? Do I have to say it? It's so obvious. It can be solved easily, and obviously we know what we're doing. Yeah. I obviously was not there. I obviously wasn't there. I've been at home all day recording lessons. Obviously I was not there. I've been at home working, so obviously I was not there. Yeah. It is obviously a clear day. Yeah, obviously a clear day. But here, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. It is an obviously good day today. Not too many thick clouds. Yeah. Very good. I will obviously be relaxing on the beach. Obviously, I won't be relaxing later on today. I will be at the gym. Yes, obviously, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Obviously, things need to change. Obviously, things need to change, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Now, can you use obviously in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.